If you need legal documents but don't want to pay high attorney fees, Law Depot might seem like a solution, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's a generic template site, but the surprising truth is that Law Depot provides customizable, legally valid documents for personal and business use, backed by clear guidance. Law Depot offers a wide range of documents, including wills, power of attorney, rental agreements, business contracts, and more. You start by answering simple questions in a step-by-step questionnaire, and the platform generates a document tailored to your situation. For instance, creating a last will and testament only takes a few minutes, and the output is formatted to be legally acceptable in your state. One advantage is affordability. Law Depot offers a subscription plan that gives you unlimited document creation and updates, which is ideal if you need multiple forms throughout the year. They also provide instructions and explanations, making it easier for non-lawyers to understand the content. On the downside, Law Depot is not a replacement for professional legal advice. Complex legal situations may require an attorney, and some documents may need notarization or witness signatures to be valid. Additionally, while the platform is user-friendly, highly customized contracts might require additional edits beyond the standard templates. In conclusion, Law Depot is a convenient and cost-effective way to create legal documents quickly and safely. It's perfect for simple legal needs, personal planning, or small business contracts. But remember that it's not a substitute for professional legal advice in complex cases. If this honest review helped you, subscribe for more legal tool insights to make smart, safe, and cost-effective decisions.